Good morning, everybody, and happy Tuesday. Hopefully everybody out there is having a wonderful day so far. If you're with me here in the Discord or in the YouTube chat, go ahead and say what's up. Let's see who's with us this morning. We have Spastric, Cyrus, Amateur Genius, Luna, Retberg, Spastric again, Raymond. Good morning, SW, Charisse, Big G, Sadek. Good morning, Jinx. Good morning to you all. Good morning, Marcus. How you doing out there? Trader Page, Marius. Good morning, Waleed, Alex P, Warrior, Billy, JY, Jason, Leo, Ray, Richard, Curtan. Good morning, El Toro. Holy Grail, Noah Schwartz. Good morning, Dwayne. Morning, D Will Run, Gary Flyer, Jim. How you doing out there, G-Lines? Richard Harris. We are currently towards the top of this range, starting to reject up here. We had a great session this morning from SW, if you missed it. Gordon Cabot, WD. We had a great session from SW here in the Clubhouse, which was amazing. And he went over his trading technique. And he's been crushing it lately. I think it's the 10th already in September. If you wouldn't mind sharing, SW, what are you up this month so far? 10 days. And if you don't want to share, that's fine too. I mean, it's a lot of money. Travis says it was a high quality session. Yeah, so 10 days into the month, September, SW's up $80,000. Not too bad. Not too shabby. And he went over his technique this morning. And it's market profile. He's using market profile. That's what is king for SW's trading style. And it's obviously working. Up $80,000 in 10 days. Insane. Hey, good morning, Reckless. Finally got your first payout after a month at Topstep. Nice. Says my new maximum loss limit 0 because it's showing a negative balance still. If you take a payout, your maximum loss limit for your entire account goes to a $0 balance. When you're trading the XFAs, if you exceed that $0 to the downside, you will blow your account. What does SW trade? NQ and ES? Primarily, he focuses on ES. So he's an ES trader. He used to trade NQ. He focuses on ES right now. Otter's one winning day away from their first payout. Nice work there, buddy. It's a big accomplishment. How long have you been going for that, Otter? You can also take a payout. I was almost 1K drawdown, and you're now plus 200. There you go, Rafal. Very, very nice. Or can you check out SW right here? Click that link there. Waleed says third payout soon. Very, very nice. Pass my combine, only blow it up after 5 days. Oh, your XFA? Yeah, you know, it's a bit of a mental challenge sometimes. Got 11K payout last 2 weeks. Exciting. Nice work there, George. You accidentally ordered Nikkei last night. Had to close on a delayed market order for 120 and then just had my contract size on 3 contracts. Daily loss limit for almost instantly. Yeah, got to make sure you're checking which instrument you're on. I'm guessing you were watching Slow Markets with Coach Dakota. What session does SW trade? The London session. He's across the pond. He trades the London session. I trade the New York session, the pre-market and New York Open. So yeah, he is a London trader. He's been doing really, really well. What was it last month? I mean, last month you did 6 figures, I believe, SW, if I'm not mistaken, or close to it, something like that. 102,000. There you go. So just over 6 figures. Christopher says, I got 3,500 on my 50K XFA. Great day. Wow. That's a good number right there. 3,500 on a 50K XFA. That's a big, big, big boy number. Good news is that right here where we're trading right now, let me drop in a 3-minute, where we're kind of chopping around up here is not a really good area to jump into a trade until we get confirmation, either a breakout. I would really like to see us, let me delete one of these lines. I'd like to see us up here rejecting at 725. We're going to get up there. SW is one of our mods here in Clubhouse. Another 720 reject. Yeah, we could see that. If we go back to yesterday, we had it rejection, rejection, rejection. So I'd really like to see that. You can see down here at 583 is where we had the Globex rejection as well. So really do want to see that going all the way up to 725 for a nice rejection there. No, it says blown 3 XFAs this year. One day I'll be up there with you guys. Got to take it slow on those XFAs. The slower you take it, the easier it gets. In long from 688, taking it into the open or dust. There you go, Maverick. Good luck. That's proper interesting. U.S. indices during the London session and killing it that much with Topstep as well. They trade on a different prop firm. They're not using Topstep. They're using, I believe, FTT is the one that they're using. Does SW have a YouTube? Nope. Not that I'm aware of. How's the new iPhone? I upgrade every year, regardless. It's not an extraordinary update. For anybody who's doing film, I guess it's a pretty big deal to do 4K 120 for the Pro models. Those, there was a device called the Ninja, I believe it was, that had that. It was like pretty expensive for that thing. Also like a Blackmagic 4K. 4K 120 is actually a really, really big deal. And the fact that you can do that on your phone now is very insane. Very, very insane. Morning, Silent NW. What tools do you use to track momentum order flow? Yeah, time and sales. Time and sales, probably your best bet. Asking how it is. I haven't handled one yet. They don't come out until September 20th. Pre-orders are this Friday, so. Sound tired, Rips? You all good? I'm pretty tired. I didn't get my nap yesterday. I was trying to get my nap, and just had some people coming over to the house to do work, and took longer than expected. So we had an early poker game last night, starting at 1. Actually started a little bit earlier. I played that until like 7:30 or so. So, what time frames do you use to enter trades? Usually for entries, 15, 5, or 3 minutes. Let's see here. I think the iPhone 16 is worth it if you have the 15. Probably not. I mean, it depends on your financial situation, right? Probably not. They have that iPhone upgrade program. But, yeah, I mean, depends on your financial situation. It's probably not, probably not. What's up, Ribs? How's the cats? Cats are great. They're awesome. Best boys in the world. Ribs, do you enter in the 15-minute frame? I'm starting to feel better on the 15, less fake out for me. 15-minute time frame is good. Like I said, 15-minute, 5-minute, or 3-minute, usually. How many people at your table in poker games? We were playing 10-handed for a little bit. Usually, I mean, when I got there, we were playing kind of like short, 6, 7-handed. And then got it up to 10-handed at one point last night. Brian says, I need my nap every afternoon while I'm waiting for the pickup line to get my son. I hate when I can't get it. Thought the new iPhone looked amazing. Then I realized I haven't scratched the surface of the camera capabilities on my 15. Yeah, I mean, it's great marketing. They do a great job at marketing those things. We are pushing up here. I'd really like to see this thing all the way up to 725. I mean, yeah, they're really good at marketing. If you're not utilizing those things, if you're not utilizing all of the features, it's probably not worth it for you. I think the biggest standout feature is the new capacitive touch button for the camera, but this is a feature that's been around on other phones for quite some time. So honestly, I don't think that most people would benefit from an upgrade, to just be real with you. The AI features will be interesting, but they talked about that during software development. What is it? The Worldwide Developer Conference, WWDC. They talked about all those features, the integration with ChatGPT, all of that stuff, right? They went over that in the software talk months ago. And the chip is going to be helpful with handling those operations. So if you're planning on using a lot of those AI features, it will be snappier on the newer phones. But is it something where it's like out of control that you must upgrade? Probably not. But I will be upgrading myself because I do every year. Ultra 2 watch in black. I had the new 10 in my cart, and I didn't pull the trigger. It doesn't have more battery life than the one that I have, so I don't know. And I feel like the Ultra 2 is just not, I don't know. I'm not a big fan of it. I don't really need it, you know. I'm not going hiking in the mountains where I need to have like some crazy thing, or going diving, you know. If I did all of those things, maybe. We are pushing up here. Let's see if we get all the way up to 725. It'd be nice to have a rejection up here. Only 15 Pro and up get AI? Oh, interesting. Well, wouldn't the regular 16 get AI? What does it mean when they pull liquidity out of the book, just like those orders at 680s that were taken off? It just means that they don't want to get filled anymore. What's your favorite car so far? SF90. I mean, out of all of the cars I've ever had, SF90 beats everything. It's the best car that you can get, in my opinion. Like, just dookies on everything else. Ferrari Phil says, I used to work for Apple, so I'm brainwashed and prescribed to the new phone every year. Yeah, I mean, it's whatever. I like it too. It is whatever. I mean, if it's a big ask, like if it's breaking the bank, then clearly don't get it, you know. What is it, long.com today? Looks like it. Oh, there we go. There's through 725. Let's see if we have any kind of rejection up here. Now that we've been waiting for this. Equities are going crazy over here. Let's see if we have any type of rejection. Going back to the 15-minute here. We could have a sweep up towards like 740s. I'm going to try to be patient here. See what we can get. You predominantly trade NQ, even ES. Sometimes we trade ES in here. Sometimes, very rarely myself, but NQ is my jam. Adam says, I'm a Samsung person myself. Electronics, not their terrible appliances. I have Samsung monitors. My old, I think they're still up. I had some Samsung TVs. I like Sony screens now for TVs. They're nice, good quality screens there. No fair value gap or order black until 19,000. May not trade this. Yeah, we are still pushing up here. I mean, we're just squeezing. Stream title says 99. Ooh, let me fix that. Thank you. I'll change that right now. Thank you. Let's see. Thank you. Thank you. It is not September 9th anymore. Let's see. Okay, there we go. Let me see here. There we go. Wow, we are really ripping now. Oh my goodness. Went long at 54.78. Oh, that's right, Richard. You even called it right here earlier. Nice. Good job. Do me a favor, folks. If you want to do some giveaways today, just go ahead and smash that lucky like button. Very easy to do. Very, very simple. We do 800 likes. We'll do a giveaway for free Topstep Combine or free Mother Clubhouse, whatever you want to do. Is there a consistency rule in the XFA or just the Combine? Any 5 days of $200 profit or more, that's when you get your payout. Fake YouTube tribute just trades the day before. We're in replay mode right now. That was good. That's why I had the title set to September 9th. We're just trading yesterday's replay mode right now. And we're going to win, baby. That's funny. I've sat on the wrong stream in the past. It could be a few minutes of thinking there was an issue with my charts, though. Oh, yeah. That's happened before to some people. That's definitely happened. Wow, we're still pushing up here. Glad we didn't try to short this yet. So the XFAs don't have the 50% consistency. No. There's somebody in Clubhouse who literally made $100,000 in 2 days on the 50K XFAs. They made 100K in 2 days. You can make as much money as you want. There's no consistency rule. Rips, if you get a payout approval, but then after the email it says you can continue trading, then blow the account, do you still get the payout? On Topstep, they removed the balance from your account, so you're fine. You just have to make sure that's actually happened, because it'll tell you in the email, like, we've removed the balance from your account. You're fine. Go ahead and blow it. What's XFA? Express funded account. XFAs are capped at something like a 50K payout, though, pretty sure. I've heard that, and it's in the fine print, but it's also like, don't worry about it. It's like the taxes thing. Don't worry about it. If you get there, then you can worry about it. I remember people were like hammering me about those DMs. Like, I talked about it on stream one time. People were like, no. You can't make that much. It's like, okay, dude, you go ahead and you do it and have that conversation with me. Is there a withdrawal limit? No. There's a consistency rule for combines. Haven't traded with Topstep in about a year. 50% of their balance. So I can only make 4,500 in a 150K in a single day. All right, hit that lucky like button. I'm going to take a whiz. I'll be right back. And we're back. Is this market still going squeeze crazy here? We hit above 40s, so this would be a nice area to reject. But yeah, wow. All equities are crazy green right now. I mean, they're just ripping. It's crazy. We don't have any news coming out this morning. However, I will be on Topstep TV today, navigating the wonderful waters of the market. with no news. Well, I mean, that's a lie. We do have a little bit of news. There's one or two things. What is it? It's the 3-year note auction is the big one. That's at 1 p.m. And we have some, like, Governor Macklem is speaking in like 5 minutes here for the BOC. But really nothing. Everybody's going to be waiting for CPI tomorrow. CPI comes out tomorrow in the pre-market. We'll be trading that together here. Michael Barr speaks at 10. Let's see. I didn't have that on my calendar. Let me see. Boom, boom. I don't know why I don't have that on my calendar. Let me make sure here. Oh yeah, they did add him late. My bad. Yeah, he wasn't scheduled at the start of the week, so there you have it. What's up, DeBeast? What's happening? Join Dakota this week in Topstep Takeover and get the house count back to green. I'm going to be on tomorrow with Dakota. I don't know what time. Could be in the morning, could be at power hour. But yeah, I'm going to be on the takeover. I have no idea what time. Let me see. Let me see if it's on this schedule yet. I'm on... Oh, snap. I'm on tomorrow morning. Oh, snap. Dang, that's going to be a long one. How long is that? Is that really... Am I really on for like the whole day? Oh, snap. Rips went on Topstep TV. Can you keep your trading screen shared for Discord and the chart screen for Topstep TV? I would love to. I would love to be able to do that. Short here. I mean, I like the rejection of 40s. Let's see if we can tap into it a little bit more. Wait, so 50K XFA has a max profit daily limit or just in the combines? Only in the combines. Yeah, I'm on back to back. I'm on today. Tomorrow it looks like I'm on for a very long time. Should be amazing. Trying to short this. 740. Too many cooks can see it happening. Yeah, we'll see. I mean, we'll see. Yeah, the debate is today as well. It's going to be interesting, I suppose. We'll see. Isn't Apple and Google facing billions in penalties after losing the EU appeal? Would that affect the NQ? I don't know if they've lost the final bit of it or not. Could still have a chance of fixing things, I suppose. But we'll see. Absolutely loved the last time that you and Dakota took over. Yeah, it was fun. I just don't know if I'm like... The schedule shows me on for 5 hours. That's kind of... seems off. Something seems off there. Not really sure about that. I have to see if that's accurate or not. 5 hours is a very long time. Call the union, yeah. 5 hours, what the heck are you going to do for that long? Maybe we could play a game of Monopoly. I mean, what time is it? Like, what time would that actually be? I got to see. I have no idea. Like, this is the first I'm reading about it, so... 8 a.m. So that's... I mean... We'll see. We'll see what happens. Play poker? Yeah. I mean, I won't be able to play poker if I'm doing 5 hours of streaming. That seems kind of extreme. A little bit. Where's Nick for a tick? Maybe I can ask him because he has the same schedule set up for Thursday. We'll see. And Coach Jay, if Coach Jay is in here too. 5 hours of you and Dakota playing chess. I mean, I'm down. That'd be fun. Topstep team will be gone on vacation. I suppose so. I mean, that makes the most sense to me. Rips in Dakota equals money bags. Oh my. Is that one of our emojis in here? Oh, you got to use our emojis. Look at our emojis right there. Bang. Money bag right there. Sack lunch. Bang. All right. We are rejecting up here. Kind of. It's just kind of holding though. NVIDIA had a slight rejection at 108. Got to give the people, 5 hours is that's a lot of rips right there. 5 hours? Rips, so do market makers have to make a mark daily? And if so, why? And what is the rule behind that? There's certain liquidity providers that their job is to support liquidity in the case that we have extreme market fluctuations. There's that. As market makers, that is their priority. I'm guessing that's what you mean. Company retreat. Where are they going? Anybody know where they're going? Apple and Google news on Yahoo Finance saying they lost $13 billion. Google lost $2.2 billion. Drop in the bucket. Apple has so much cash. Drop in the bucket. What are your thoughts on the market rise before the red folder news this week? Is it a fake out? Well, CPI tomorrow. Is that considered, let's see. Anytime somebody says red folder, I think about that goofball who wears the prescription-less Cartier glasses to look like they're smart. Let's see. What is it? FX calendar? What's the stupid thing like? Forex Factory. There we go. Ah, it was a red folder. Oh. Guy's such a doofus. They're all going skydiving. Why would you jump out of a perfectly good thing? I need to rail a line of Celsius right now. Hold on. There we go. Stock making fun of my glasses. Well, if you wear glasses, make sure they have a prescription on it, not because you're trying to deceive people and regurgitate information that's easily found on YouTube for free while never live trading. I got a whiteboard behind me. House count is about to rocket, then MP will bring it back down next week. Oh, stop it. That's not nice. And we're still holding up here at these 40s. This is where I think that we would reject up here, right? See? Those are technical sounds, by the way. Hey, Ribs, don't forget no more than 2 drinks per day. I literally had like 17, well, not 17, but like 7. Maybe it was more. Start out with 3, added 2. So 7. Yeah, it was 7. I had 7 Red Bulls when I was playing poker last night or yesterday. And then I had probably like 6 Celsius in the morning. So yeah, about 14 of those bad doggers there. You really, here's the deal. There's some people who go for it and there's some people who really go for it. Got to be the person who really goes for it. Just suck it up, Buttercup, and go for it. Good morning, Atul. Good to see you, buddy. Your heart has an F1 engine now, or it's just completely like unaffected by caffeine these days. One of the two. Oh, we are still pushing up here. Would have been nice if we just could have caught along right when we started streaming. That'd be the easiest trade ever. Up 50 points already. 2,800 milligrams of caffeine. Just a nice small amount gets the heart fluttering. Top of your head would pop. How many milligrams of caffeine are in a Red Bull? Those things are weak sauce. Richard's on your second Ghost Energy. What flavor are you drinking there, Richard? How do we have 1,400 people watching, only 25 likes? I don't think that's accurate. Let's see. Let's see how many likes we actually have. Let me have a gander. We actually have... Oh, wait. Change. Go. We have 376 likes, which is also not that great. 500 likes, we'll do a poll. 800 likes, we'll give away some stuff. So click that like button. Wow, look at that. We're already at 492. That was fast. Suck it up, Buttercup. I'm going to say that to all my employees today. Be careful. You might catch one. Might catch some strays on that one in the form of a lawsuit. Speaking of lawsuits, never mind. Monster energy drinks are crack. Yeah, I like the ultra ones that don't have sugar in them. Those are the good ones. Big fan of those. Can't call employees buttercup. Oh, that's it. I don't even want to say it. For some reason, I gulp my first one. I usually slowly sip on it with my rip straw. Monster is probably poison. Could be. Call them butternut. Butternut biscuit cakes. I can't wait to take a nap. Maybe I could wear sunglasses on Topstep TV and just pass right out. I think somebody would catch on. It's all about self-control. I drink one Monster Energy drink in the morning. Don't drink any on the weekends. There you go. I'm in Florida. We call them a lot worse than that. Yeah. Skittles. I haven't had that flavor yet. Skittles of Ghost Energy. All right, let's do a poll. Look at this. Let's see. Oh, yeah, and cute. All right. Let's do this. All right. I'm not going to do what I was originally going to do. I'm delirious right now. I'm sorry. There you go. I had some really wacky idea for a poll, but I'm not going to do that one. Pedro asked, he had a 50K in each account, made 100K in 2 days. No, he had zero. XFAs start with a $0 balance. And it was copied across 5 XFAs, and they made 20K across the board in 2 days. 17K on one day and 3K in another day. Copied 5 times, it's 100K. Tiro says, I keep the Celsius powder packs in my car and backpack just in case I get caught out without a way to get my fix. Just add water. Or just throw it in the back of your gullet. Swish it around. You got a sweet treat. Rip's got me hooked on Celsius. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing there. Real men don't need water for those packages. That's what I'm saying. Just throw it. Just throw it down. I gave up a lifelong caffeine habit. Now, if I had a cup of coffee, I'd be buzzing off my head. Yeah, I mean, I've taken breaks from caffeine. I don't prefer it. But, I've taken breaks from caffeine. It's no big deal. I had no problem with it. I just prefer caffeine. I don't mind it at all. Once had a coworker who took the instant oatmeal packages straight without water, convicted he was a serial killer. See, I could draw my line there. Celsius packets with no water. Chuck those in the back end of your gullet. No problem. Do that with an instant oatmeal pack. We got problems. I mean, I kind of want to short this here, but none of these equities are rolling. I mean, just from the market structure perspective. Mix Celsius with their Celsius. Ooh, I want to try that actually. That might be the only reason I ever ordered the packets of Celsius. All right, I'm short. I'm going short here. Don't talk about it. Be about it. We're short. We are short. Hey, good timing. Let's see if we can get this holding here. It's a textbook short. Yes. Well, let's see. The problem is equities aren't rolling. That's why it's only good for 2. Where's my thing here? Otter? The moment you said that, it reversed. I'm looking at you, pal. Textbook short. Textbook repair up to. It's the textbook everything right now. You drink 7 Perriers a day? Look at you, fancy pants. I like Perrier. It's good. Morning, Trick. Trader Rick. Good morning. What's up, Trick? Textbook L. It's a textbook everything this morning. Come on, roll over so I can add to you, you sick puppy. I probably shouldn't trade any funded accounts again today. I didn't trade any funded yesterday, which was a shame because there were some nice opportunities. Adding to it. Let's go. Let's get aggressive. Textbook risk reward. Okay. Can't be a textbook L if I don't know how to read. That's true. Oh, geez. This thing ain't going to roll at it. Come on. Where's our stop? 53? That's fair, I guess. We're going to get mollywopped. We're going to get mollywopped. Goldman's watching me? Yeah, I don't think so. I don't think they care about simulated trades that don't hit the tape. I don't think they give a flip about that. I'm going out on a limb here and saying that. Short with you, hoping for a rollover. Good luck to us. Go us. Go team us. Go team Jeremy Rips. Don't trade out of boredom. Believe me, this ain't out of boredom. This is off the rejection of 740s. That's our setup here. Common sellers give Rips a nice leg down. Oh, come on, sellers. Yeah. Come on. Do it. Topstep has DCA rules. No, they do not. That's a silly thing to have in the first place, in my opinion. So no, do whatever you want. Trade however you want. Trade news, trade whatever. It's only because it's pre-market without liquidity till like 800 jumping sideways for the next leg. Yeah, we'll see. Let's all sell the other, push it down. I could go in my live account and try to push it down, but I don't think it'd do all that much. Just being honest. Also the S&P kind of wants 5,500. It'd be nice if we have some front runners that reject that before we get there, though. Yeah, there's some folks that are kind of stepping in. This is just lower liquidity, too. Yeah, buyers are stepping in here. Can we get a rejection off of like pre-50 at all? Wow, this is super thin, too. I wonder if they're going to just bust through 50, tag my stop, and then send it back down. What is Topstep doing to prevent people from hedging their way to past combines? I have no idea. But if you try to cheat, they're going to ban you for life, and you don't want to be banned from Topstep for life, do you? Why don't you trade your combine how you're going to trade your XFA? Then that way, when you do get your XFA, you keep it for longer, right? Can we do a little cheeky ad up here? Okay, there's my cheeky ad. Now I need this to fail back down. Then I can cover a little bit, and then we can ride it into Boomtown. Show me below 45. Didn't add up here because we're close to our stop. So the risk on the ad is not as big of a deal. But let's see. If you want to hedge combines, just do it with another prop firm. I mean, I wouldn't do anything nefarious if I were you. Just trade the trades. That's all you ought to do. Just trade the old trades. Break a 45. Can you show that to me? I wonder if this thing is going to tag 5,500 first. Let's see. Yeah, there's still a lot of buyers there. Wow, that's got stopped almost immediately there. Yeah. Let's see how hard they're sweeping this. Short with you, but been at it for a bit. Yeah, I mean, this thing's just going. If this clears above here, then good chance we could keep on running. Let's see. Targets above would be, let's see here, all the way up at 776. I mean, that's not too far, is it? Cheating the system is not trading, just learn how to trade. Yeah, you're going to spend more time trying to like do a bunch of crap instead of like actually learning how to trade, right? This thing is still squeezing. All right. Go. Squeeze some more then. I dare you. There you go. Keep going. What's up at 60 there? Interesting. Some liquidity up at 60. Could be tagging that. 820 reject is the one you're waiting on. Oh, I'd love to get to 820. I want to add on a pullback to like 48, but I don't know if we're going to get there or not. Let's see. Rips, are you okay health-wise? I don't know. Your face looks much skinnier from last time I saw you over a month ago. I'm dying. I have a rare disease called winicitis. Happens when you start winning too much. So, appreciate you looking out for me. Adding to it. Oh, now we have people. There we go. I was going to say, now we have people that want to cap onto this thing. See what happens above 60. Really start pushing this thing. Squeeze it. Squeeze it over 60. Do it. Come on. Over 60. With the quickness. What's up, Nick, for a tick? How long are you on Topstep TV tomorrow? Because that's a question I was asking the audience. Only you would know. How long are you on for Topstep TV tomorrow? Go. Full size. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Yeah, go, 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 go. Go, go, go. 65. Do it. Stop trying to cover. Get out of the way. Do more of it. Hope you can surpass this difficult time in your life. Winicitis is no joke. It's, you know, I heard it's going around. It's one of those things. Come on, 65. Go, go, go. I wanted 72, so somebody keeps on trying to block this here, so I would really like 10 more points on this. Is that so much to ask for, is 10 more points? We're 5 points away from 5,500 too in the S&P. Just give it to us. Just push a little bit. Go, go, go. A little bit harder. There you go. A little bit more. A little bit more. Right there, 65. Can you do 65 for us? Just a little tickler. Yeah. Oh, come on. Get me out of there. You dirty dog. Oh, my God. We had our orders and everything. You dirty dog. You're kidding me. It nicked me out one single order. Oh, that might be the blow off top. This is bad news. Here. Move that there. Oh, this is bad news. Okay. Whoo! Whoo! Okay. We're marked safe from being terrorized. All right. Is that macros? I don't know what that means. Took my combine to 4,500 for the day. Yo. Well, that's good. My dad caught winicitis, never came back from getting milk. This is no joke. Got to be careful out there, people. Yeah, dude. Winicitis is insane. 3 hours? Okay. Well, why does it show me booked for 5 and you booked for 5? Shows 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. I think there's something they're not telling us, Nick. What's your monitor on the left that shows Mag 7? It's just a monitor configured in portrait mode. That's all that is. So it's just a monitor kind of turned sideways. Macros. Oh, hotkeys. Yeah. Yeah. These are the Rips hotkeys, baby. Right here. Same as it ever was. Still unreleased. Not out yet. Hold your horses. Rips is in replay mode from 9-9. It's crazy. I didn't see any of this happen yesterday, but we're definitely doing it. Rips, can you teach Topstep about polls and have an additional option like yourself to not skew the polls? That's not a bad idea. Up a cool grand on one account. Nice. I can't believe we shorted that. What were we thinking? That's some knuckleheaded behavior right there, shorting that. Time did you leave the win? Like 7:30. I'm going to stop down. All right. So we're up $1,600. Yee! Wee! So much fun. Looks like an audio engineer board. Yeah, Stream Deck XL from Elgato. It's good stuff. It's very good stuff. Time is it? We got about 30 more minutes together. If we can get those likes up, we got 1,600 people in here watching. We get those likes up, we can actually, I can take a nap at some point today. It's down a grand. Got it almost back. Nice work there, Kirk. Amazing. Bell to bell, let's go. Oh my God. Dude, I need a nap. I'm dying over here. Where are you from and how's life there? I am from Uzbekistan and life is great. I'm from Vegas. This is where I live. Las Vegas. There's an indication of a fall earlier, at least that's how I read it. I look at how Delta varies, but then it reversed. Yeah, I mean, I liked the short. It was a good short. It was green for like 30 seconds. I thought the short was good. I would take the same short, and I liked my ad. It was just, it is what it is, you know? Things happen. Markets move. Sometimes you're right. Sometimes you're wrong. Sometimes you throw on 15 contracts. Sometimes you throw on 3. It is what it is. Was down 1,800 yesterday and fought back to up 700 to end the day. That's good. That's awesome. I think that we're going to tag 5,500 in the S&P. I won't go over that order flow right now. Ripsef, I have 50 XFA and I'm 4K up. I withdraw 2K. Do I still have 50K XFA or is it 2K? Your balance starts at 0 when you get an XFA. It doesn't start at 50K. So cross that bridge when you come to it, my friend. Rips, what are your thoughts on fast track funding with their instant funding accounts? I never use them. And I only trade on Topstep. So I can comment on Topstep. I don't know about these other firms. But I think that if you want to have instant funding, just deposit your own money in your own brokerage account. But the problem is you're probably going to lose it. So mitigate that risk by using a funding company like Topstep. I've taken in the last 2 weeks, like 40 grand, 50 grand. And I had to invest $1,500 to get that money. If I lose those accounts, I'm down $1,500. I'm not down like hundreds of thousands, you know? What about MFF? Again, if you ask me about Topstep, I can tell you about it. I can give you the limited experience I had with Apex. I took a $20,000 payout from Apex. That's about it. I've traded Apex. I've traded Topstep. I also traded, what is it? Brain's not working. It is E something, Earn to Trade, E2T. Earn to Trade. But I never I don't even think I got funded with them. I traded like 5 seconds with them, you know, nothing crazy. But never traded on any of these other ones. Hey, Rips, will you tell us about Topstep? Of course. What's your question? I'm a walking, talking Topstep encyclopedia. Any question you have about Topstep, I got answers. It's all about low upfront costs and leverage. Wins compound with copy trading gets across 5 XFAs. Yes, it's true. 5 times the leverage, 5 times the fun. It's true. What is the max number of accounts you can have with Topstep? Funded 5 XFAs plus 1 live, but you got to be called up to live. Not everybody's called up to live. Wow, NASDAQ's coming down after that. Oh. So 6 funded accounts, but combines, I believe their cap today currently is 189,463. So if you want to trade combines, you can trade as many as you want. If you go above that number, I believe they send you a Rolls Royce. Can you get a refund to change platforms if you took a few trades on practice account? No, they don't do that. Whatever platform you select is what you get. When funded, is it best to move to micros right away? If it's your first time, yeah. If it's your first time being funded, 100%. Because you're probably going to blow the account if you're trying to trade minis and get smoked. You want to try to preserve that account for as long as you can. Payouts will come. If you're focused on, I need to make $200 today, you're probably going to get smoked. Just take good trades. Stay focused. You'll get there. You're focused on all the nonsense like, well, if I made $1 million on this account, I'd have to pay this much in taxes. Well, you're probably not ever going to see a payout. How do you manage your payouts? You take out X percent, leave the rest. What do you pay yourself with the needed amount for your lifestyle? What lifestyle are we talking about here? I'm a simple man. I just try to take off the cream from the top and I leave a round number behind. Usually. That's usually what I do. I leave a couple little nuggets behind to trade. I have a nice healthy balance in my XFAs right now. I haven't traded them this week so far. Didn't trade them yesterday. Haven't traded them yet today. Stuff and things. Send your rolls for maxing the amount of combines. It's true. Try it out. If you can currently trade 189,463 combines, they actually send you a Rolls Royce Ghost. It's an older model, but it's worth it. Rips, can you show us your time and sales screen, please? I would have to. It's right. It's to the right of what you're seeing on the screen right now. I would have to. Let me see if I can finagle this for you. Hold on. Give me a minute. No, I can't do it without the. Yeah. Sorry, I can't. Unfortunately. I'll do that on another layout, I guess. I'd have to remake a whole layout, and it's going to take me time to do that. So, How many accounts do you have with Topstep? I have 6. 6 funded accounts. Kind of car do you drive? Toyota Camry, 1994. It's got 300,000 miles on it, and it smells like hot dog piss. What kind of car do you drive? After 7 years of prop trading, Topstep is the best. Earn to trade has 15 minimum trading days. Small cap and funded account. That sucks. There you go. Nice. That's a lot of combine. It's not. It's just a few. I think you're talking about lifestyle, young thug, and rich homie Quan. This here lifestyle. Oh, that's good. Good morning, Coach Jay. Oh, that's good. Rips, how loaded is MP? Just a guess. I'd say he's lower middle class. Nice guy. What are you looking for when looking at time and sales? The orders, I guess. That's what I'm looking at. The orders. Oh yeah, Redbook resale sales coming out in 30 seconds. Amazing. If we have 5 XFAs, what happens to past combines? Should it be activated in queue? You don't have to do anything. You have an unlimited amount of time to just let them sit there, and that's what I do. I have a bunch of past combines. Because I have 5 XFAs, you can leave them there for as long as you want. I have 2 PA accounts and 4 take profit test accounts. What is the best way to succeed? I mean, I don't trade on those things, but as always, the answer is usually take it slow. Just take it slow. Hey, Rips, what is your shoe size? Type of underwear do you wear? And what is your favorite color socks? Shoe size is 11. Type of underwear, Tommy John. Favorite color socks, black. Any other questions? Philip? Very specific. Are you going shopping for me for Father's Day? Sounds very specific. MP getting richer off blown combines. Do the math. Like I said, lower to middle class. Jack Boy says, Rips, I finally got funded, my boy. Let's go. Yes. Darren asked, did you talk about how the debate tonight could affect the markets? Sorry, I just joined the stream. Why are you late? What are you doing, Darren? Where's the dedication? I don't think it's going to affect the markets, and I'm just being honest. If it was a different debate, I think it would. I do not think it could affect the markets. I really don't. And I hope to be proven wrong because I love volatility, but I just don't think it will. I really do not. Do you have to pay the fee if waiting to fail other pass? No. There's no fee to pay. Once you pass combines, they literally sit in limbo. You don't have to pay a dime, and they just sit there. There's nothing. WTF for all these questions? They're good questions. Don't knock the questions. They're very good questions. Come on. These are good questions. Is this a dating stream? Only if you tune in on Thursdays. Thursdays we do the dating stream. This is still the trading stream right now. Where do you live? Las Vegas. Best black t-shirt. That's easy. Come on. That's so simple. Fiore. All day. How much do you focus on the high-low volume nodes within the volume profiles? It's very important. It's one of the things that can help you guide your trades to win. What did I say? Winadocious? Winzixstan? One of those areas. What is your favorite squishmallow? I don't even know what that means. I'm going to say 6. No. My favorite squishmallow is yellow. Your trolling is undeniably the best. Love how you say the most random thing and stay so serious when saying it. I'm being serious about everything I'm talking about right now. That's the thing. Someone is going to eventually ask how many times a day he poops. Does he walk, skip, or run, and how many minutes each? And if he thinks rainbows lead to gold. I mean, those are all very good questions, though. So, how can I get Bookmap for free? So, I'll walk you through this. And that's actually a really good question. Ejaz M. Sorry. All right. So, all seriousness here. Ejaz. Hold on. Back to baseline. Back to baseline. Do you live near a Home Depot? Let's start there. What you're going to need is a hammer, a ski mask, 3 orange buckets, and some rope. Okay? Then you're going to find out where the offices of Bookmap are. You're going to put on that ski mask. You can't get Bookmap for free, my friend. You can't. There's no free lunches in trading. There's nothing for free. I mean, there is a free version, but it only works for crypto. It's not going to even affect the election. Yeah, I don't think this debate's going to do anything other than just provide some good clips for Twitter and YouTube. That's about it. It would be nice to marry a trader. I don't know. My wife would disagree with that from time to time. She thinks I'm nuts. Good morning. See you guys Thursday. What's your favorite letter of the alphabet? Oh, man. Good stuff. Let's see here. I thought I'd need to pay the $149 if I pass the combine. You do, but if you have 5 active XFAs, you don't have to pay anything until you lose an XFA. When the volume rises at the top of the trend, this means the buy orders are being emptied from the order book, and this is the squeeze. Not necessarily, no, because you can have somebody defending that. It doesn't mean that necessarily. So, have I seen the new Ferrari 12 cylindrine? I don't like it. I think it looks like total dog food. Name of your first pet elementary school you attended. Random questions, no reason. Date of birth, social security, first pet, elementary school. Got it. We're 100 likes away from the giveaways. Let's see. We are. Yeah, 95 right now. What's the best number to reach you at? 11-2. How often do you read the history books? Not often enough. It's been a while since I cracked open a good nonfiction that wasn't trading related. Uzbekistan, that's what it was. Thank you. Rips, the total profit should be 5x, right? I mean, this actually is the 5x profit for today, believe it or not. We lost a bundle on that first trade because of the it snapped up so fast. Rips drives a Winnebago. Oh my goodness, I haven't seen one of those in a while. Is Winnebago still around? I don't know where you're going with that one. I'm not going to touch that one. What's my favorite European country to visit? Bellagio. Easily, every single day of the week. I like to visit the lakes of Bellagio. It's the best. You can just watch the Bookmap stream on YouTube Live. Yeah, there's that too. People talking about combines being blown as mean for Topstep to make money. You're buying 15-1 leverage on a 150K account, assuming you make it to XFA, $300 investment for $4,500 buying power. Yes, Sully gets it. Yes, indeed. Ribs, it seems that my mental capital the last 3 days where I do real well, then crash for the next 2. How's this happen to you? What would you recommend? Take a break. Turn to dad. Take a break. Take a break. That solves everything. I promise you. Can you still get Bookmap on TD Ameritrade on the cheap? I don't know, actually. Anybody know the answer to that question? It's Schwab now. It's Thinkorswim Schwab. But I don't know if you can anymore. But I don't like that version on there. I really don't. I don't think it's any good. Rips, how can I get a free car? Show up to a taping of Oprah and pray that she'll do it again. Hey, Rips, is crack healthy? Depends on who your supplier is. If they're mixing it with fentanyl, probably not. But if it's that pure Ricky Ross, LA goodness, then put that right in that pipe and smoke it. There used to be a way to get it on free, but no longer. Yeah, they started charging for it. Rips, what do you do over the weekend when you're not trading? I post that on my Instagram every single weekend. I'm very active on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, I honestly don't know what you're doing with your life. It's the best show on earth. Trade the London session. They offer free live on YouTube, I believe. Yeah, there you go. Nice. If you're not a little nuts, trading is harder. Yeah, don't take it so seriously. Rips, you have kids? Everybody here in chat. Which hair is your favorite on your beard? That one right there. If you have Thinkorswim, you get 1 free stock and 1 future contract. I don't know if that's going to get you very far, even if you held for a few hundred years. I just don't think it's going to do it for you. Can I stay with you for a week? Of course. 3 open guest bedrooms just for you. You can rotate between all 3 of them too. There are some Bookmap live streams on YouTube. There's a small delay though, a few seconds. I mean, I would say try Bookmap for a month. You get, there's a coupon code here. There's a coupon code for like, I don't know, 20% off or something. Try it for a month. See what you like. Coach Dakota in the building. Wait, what is a squishmallow? What the heck is a friggin' squishmallow? Wait, this is a real thing? The heck is a squishmallow? Oh, what is this? I thought somebody was making up a word. I'm just out of touch, I suppose. Yeah, I don't have kids. There you go. Secret's out. On an average day, how many cats do you think you'd reasonably carry? That's a good one. About 2. Mother's maiden name. Buy Topstep Combine, fail the Combine, repeat 10 times, blow 10 XFA, finally take a payout, buy Bookmap with the payout, realize you don't need Bookmap to win trades. The cycle of a trader right there. My wife said if I don't have 5 XFAs by Christmas, she's done with me, looking for a new place to stay. Well, you're always welcome at the Castle Day Rips. Curious as to why you would have Combines when you already have 5 XFAs. Well, not every trade is a good trade. So yesterday, prime example. Yesterday, I don't know if you've noticed this, but actually you wouldn't notice. How would you know this is? Every single Monday through Friday, I go on YouTube and I do this live stream thing. You would have no idea about this, but I do this every single Monday through Friday. I host a YouTube live trading stream. It's the #1 live trading stream in that time slot. And you should check it out sometime. I would recommend it. It's Monday through Friday. It starts at 8 a.m. Eastern time. And I go on there and I trade, because if I don't trade, it's kind of boring. And I show all of my trades, right? I show all of my trades. But sometimes the market isn't giving me exactly what I want, right? So I'll trade those on combines, right? I'll trade those trades on combines instead of trading on my live funded accounts or my XFA. Yeah, I know. I trade on a stream. I really do. It's crazy. I'm not only on Topstep TV. I'm also on this stream called Market Clubhouse. It's crazy. But that's the reason why, was the question. Why do I trade combines? Well, the reason why, because sometimes the trade's not a great look and I don't want to risk blowing XFAs because those cost money and I want to make money. So there you go. Does that answer it? I feel like that's accurate, right? How many times a day do you brush your teeth? 3. What was your bank account number? 1182. Just requested 4K in payouts for 2 XFAs. Yes! Let's go, John. My man. Have you read the book, The Buy Side? I have not. History Fanatic, nice. Splendid and the Vile. I'll check that out. Thank you. Very, very good. Where are we? So many questions now. Oh my goodness. We don't have much time left, and we only have 34 more likes to go for the giveaway, but let's see. Come to Ireland, I'll put you up. Thank you, Yanran. Or put up with you. One of the two. Please visit Rwanda one day. We have mountain gorillas. You'll be amazed. I'll check it out sometime. You can get a trial for NQ on Thinkorswim. It sucks. Try it for 5 minutes. Yeah, it's not the full-fledged version of it. So sick of bots buying the bottom of a range and stopping the breakdown. Yeah, I hear you. We're still moving here. They have some crack with whey protein. Who makes that? Rip streams food FOMO on Instagram. I love to eat. What can I say? I love to eat. Drop my Insta link. It's just selling rips on Instagram. Selling rips. Selling rips. Gonna Home Depot buy a hammer mask, 3 orange buckets. I'm gonna Vegas get a new SF90. No. Don't do that. I would follow you on IG. Will you post pumpkin spice lattes soon? Maybe the sugar-free ones. I don't know if they make those in sugar-free, though. Want to play poker? I live in Las Vegas. Yeah, I'm playing today. Come on by. We had somebody from Market Clubhouse come by and play last Thursday. Come on down. I'd love to play with people. How do you stay so healthy and fit as you age? I stopped drinking. Stopped drinking a long time ago. And you start reverse aging. Who do you think is the best trader ever, dead or alive? I would say Dakota Jones. That's who I'd say. Can't buy Bookmap, then you shouldn't be trading. I mean, everybody's different. Something your wife will thank you for. It's very soft and squishy. Why? What does a squishmallow have to do with banging my wife? How does that work? Rips, how do you always win at the poker table? Do you ever walk away red? I did on Thursday. I lost 65 G's on Thursday, but then Friday I made 70 and last night I made 10. So we're right back at it. How many 5-year-olds can you take in a flight? I'm not even touching that one. I think my cat is on his last leg. Super sad. Might not trade it. I'm sorry to hear that, James. That's super sad. Prayers up. Rips, is there a cap on how much you can make in a 50K XFA? Try to get there and find out. That's what I'd say. Is Bookmap necessary? No. Where do you stream? There's this channel on YouTube called Market Clubhouse. I go live there Monday through Friday at 8 a.m. You have to check it out. How do I enter giveaways? What's your IG? Right there. Twitter and Instagram. @SellingRips. Right there. That's me. Are those kid robot figures on your shelf? No. Dakota is going to challenge Rips in a chess game tomorrow, I think. That'd be fun. I'd love to play that. Thought combines were harvesters? I know. Yeah. Do you think fishermen are good traders? They're good scammers, good liars, good gaslighters. That's about it, though. We trading 10-year notes in the house account today? 10-year notes, I don't know about that. Maybe bonds. Trade the ZBs. Have you ever taken a dump in a Barnes & Noble? No, but I took a fat Chipotle in a Walden Books one time. I don't know where I'm going with that, but you asked the question. It was a Walden Books, not a Barnes & Noble. Have you ever tried not losing money on a stream? Yeah, I try that every single day. Every single day. Dude, I'm not off the rails. This is good right here. This is quality stuff. Come on. We're chopping around. What do you want? Not you, the chat. Or no, it was a Borders. I'm sorry. It was a Borders, not a Walden Books. Favorite UK artist? Is it Redbone or whatever his name is? The guy that goes chickadee wiggity slum. That guy. Red something? Red Barn? What's his name? He's sick. Not Rag and Bone. I mean, Fred's really good. Yeah. Fred again and again. We trading 10. Yeah, I answered that already. I actually have to go on Topstep TV here. What do you think of PDJ? He's the best. He is the best. What's the best site for trading options? Tasty Trade or Thinkorswim? Easily. All right, I'm going to do a quick giveaway. We're going to do it really, really fast here because I promised to give away. Really, really quick. Channel members are going to be 10x. Here we go. All right, here's the giveaway, folks. The keyword is going to be Walden Books, because why not? Walden Books is the keyword, everybody. Type that in one single time. Walden Books is the keyword. There you go. Type that in one single time. You have to be following me on Twitter or on Instagram. We're going to do this. We're going to try this one time because I got to go over to Topstep TV. Let's end the poll right here, by the way. See what you folks thought. Let's see. Walden Books is the keyword. 53% say above. And we're right at 750 right now. So let's see how right you folks are. I'm going on Topstep TV in like 10 minutes here. Got to be ready for action. Oh, Walden Books is the keyword. 1,400 people in here. Show me potato salad. The things that float around in my brain. I think it's caused by this stream. Makes you go Looney Tunes from time to time. It was fun, though. We had a good stream today. Very informative. Quite educational. We learned a lot about each other, didn't we? All righty. Let's do it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and wait, hold on. This isn't even at 400 yet. I almost jumped the gun. Couple more minutes. Let's get it to 400 here. Dude, Gabe. Oh, man. This is just going to add to the... Oh, goodness. Can you copy trade 5 combines? Yep. You sure can. You can copy trade 100 at once. Of course you could copy trade. Come on. We are spiraling and I love it. I've lost my grip on sanity a long time ago. Years ago. This is just fire fanning the flames here. Fanning the... Yep, it is. It is. Yep. All right, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, and rolling. Robert Torres. Talk to me, buddy. You've won the giveaway. Free Topstep comment or a free month of Clubhouse. Dealer's choice, my friend. How do you claim it? You let me know what your username is. Tell me, what is your Twitter or Instagram username? And then we can figure it out if you're a winner. Can you trade micros with? No, okay. I think they actually outlawed that. I don't think you can. Robert Torres. All right, we're going to give you 30 seconds to claim. If not, we're re-rolling, so don't go anywhere, everybody. Come on down, Robert Torres. Come on down. All right, I'm giving you 20 more seconds, and then I'm re-rolling. There's a lot of folks that want this. RJ Torres, that's not you. You're on your alt account. Are you trying to enter with multiple accounts, my friend? You see that? Anybody else see that? Typing in from their alt account there, trying to get multiple entries. Ooh, naughty, naughty. All right, here we go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, rolling. Trader Page. Free month of Clubhouse or free Topstep Combine. Trader Page is an OG. Trader Page has been riding with us for a minute here. Are you here, Trader Page? Say something. OMG. Yeah. Okay. MC. All right. Cool. Sweet. See how easy that was, folks? All right. I love y'all. I thank you for joining me on this very informative, educational, wonderful stream. We're finishing up here, up $1,600. I'm going to go trade over in Topstep TV. I hope you'll join me there. If you're inclined to do so, go ahead and drop a Rips raid over in the Topstep TV YouTube chat. Let them know we're coming. We're kicking the door down, Walden Books style. There it is, folks. I'll see you folks over there. I hope you have a blessed day. And let's make some money in this house account. What do we say? Take care, everybody. I'll see you over in Topstep TV. And if I don't see you there, I'll see you bright and early here tomorrow, 5 a.m. Or 8 a.m. 5 a.m. Pacific, 8 a.m. Eastern, 7 a.m. Central. Take care, everybody. I'll see you.